Hello, this is Shushankar Dyal, your host from libreprogramming.org. Well, not really host, your helper. So, in this part of C programming, we will learn how to do matrix multiplication of two arrays. Now, matrices are typically two-dimensional or more, maybe three-dimensional, but two-dimensional are generally used. How to declare two matrices? So, a two-dimensional matrix can be represented by a two-dimensional array. Here I have used a 3 by 3 matrix A and another 3 by 3 matrix B, and then the product will be a 3 by 3 matrix which is C. So this is the form of matrix I am using: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now the prerequisite of multiplication of two matrices is that number of columns of first matrix should be equal to number of rows of second matrix, and that will give you a resultant matrix whose number of rows will be equal to number of rows of first matrix and number of columns will be equal to number of columns of second matrix. That is, if you multiply aij with bjk, then you will get cik, where the first alphabet is the matrix name, second is the row name, and third is the column name. Here I have manually multiplied and shown the result of multiplication of two such matrices A and B. A and B are both identical. Now to multiply this, we need three loops. That is, it is an n cube operation. Although complex algorithms exist to reduce the multiplication order a bit, but none give below n square or equal to n square. Everything is greater than n square. So sum is initially declared to 0, and then we keep adding and we take 0th, we start with 0th and we proceed with the entire row, column number 1 2 3. Remember that index of an array starts with 0, so the column 0 and row 0 will mean actually column 1 and row 1. And then I proceeded with the that particular row number of B, and then kept the column number constant, and we increased the row number, and then sum was computed, and then finally once this innermost loop is done, I store the sum in ij. Now remember, this is not k, this is j, because here j is the column number of matrix B. So B is not treated as JK, it is KJ, and then that matrix is printed. So remember, our output is like this: 30 66 102, 36 80 126, 42 96 150. So let's compile, make array 7, and then we run it. So we got our output. So that was a simple program, but for beginners it may turn out to be difficult. I'm also working on the new version of the book C programming, and this will deal with the latest specifications C11, and simultaneously I am working on algebra book, which will which is essential for studying data structure and algorithms. So keep visiting libreprogramming.org. Progress is slow, but yes, it will be done. That is my promise. Thanks for watching the video.